Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. I hope you all are safe and please maintain social distancing. So I hope you have liked my last video, and if you like that, please subscribe my channel. So today I am going to show you how you can edit a very decent looking portrait shot to a professional looking portrait shot. So let's straight dive in without wasting any time. Okay, as you can see, it's a very decent looking photo. So now let's edit this. Hit auto. As you can see, it has auto corrected it, but it's not satisfactory. So now let's edit this. Increase exposure 30 to 25 is fine. Increase contrast to 60. Decrease all the way down highlights and shadow. Let's decrease shadow to 20. Looking good. Increase some whites to 15 and blacks. Just decrease blacks to 20. Nice. Now let's move to curve. Set your points on the curve and do as I'm showing you. Just fine. Now let's move to color. Let's decrease the temperature a bit. Tint is fine. Vibrance, let's increase some vibrance and decrease saturation. Nice. Now let's move to mix. Reds. Okay. Saturation bit and luminance. Okay, that's fine. Now let's move to orange. We don't want a dark orangish look on our face, so let's tweak it accordingly. Okay, that's looking, I think just fine. Okay, yeah, just fine. Let's move to yellow. Here some saturation and luminance to 30. Just fine. Green, there is no green. Turn it down. Back I can see some. Decrease saturation. Fine, and let's balance the blue color on our shirt with hue. We will give that ice blue color to her shirt. Okay, just fine. Nice. Hit done. Now let's move to texture. Decrease the texture to 20. Now decrease clarity to 15. Now let's highlights, decays 15, that's nice. Vignette, okay, fine, to 28. Now midpoint 62, feathering to 70%. I don't want too much feather in it. Roundness -32, fine. Let's give some grains to it and all split toning. It's very important. In highlights, we're going to give a brownish look. Okay, just fine. Shadows, give that opposite hue in shadow. Bluish color. Okay, just nice. Let's balance it. We're good to go. Now let's move to details. I want some sharpness on it, little bit of noise reduction, little bit of color noise reduction, 20. Okay, as you can see, we have turned this image to this. Now let's move to, you see, I can see some blemishes to our face. So now let's fix that. Hit healing brush, clone stamping, and zoom it here. Increase size 37, fine. heal this, heal this, heal this, heal this, and heal this. Okay, we are good to go. Okay, now we are going to select selective edits around. We are going to edit her face to give that professional makeup look. Okay, that's fine. Light is perfect. Let's move to texture. Decrease texture and decrease clarity. Okay, clarity to 30, 25, fine, and texture to 18. Okay, as you've seen, we have softened our face. Let's move to exposure. Okay, little bit of contrast, more highlights. Can't see much highlights, so it's fine. Let's move, give some more shadow to it. White is just fine, and blacks. Okay, this is before and this is after. Now let's save it. Okay, here are some more examples which I've edited. As you have seen guys, how we have edited this photo from point A to point B. As you can see, it's very easy to edit this kind of photos in your phone. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this, please subscribe my channel and I'll see you in next video. Thank you.